A very good morning to all from Anurag Joshi. From today's now, we are started a new series on Python. So we can learn everything that you got to start your programming in Python. Python is the most fastest growing language and everyday people uses to do some stuff like machine learning, uses in artificial intelligences, as well as creating websites, web developments, applications like YouTube, Instagram, Dropbox, etc. So we can say that Python is a general purpose language. What it means? It means we can use in every field to create anything. So in this course, I'm gonna teach you each and everything you need to know about the Python. So we can talk about every core concept of the Python and how you can do and simple stuff. So be in touch with me and stay tuned with my channel and subscribe also. So we can learn our Python from the next videos. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.